Which size is more suitable for my vehicle?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to tackle a key aspect of vehicle maintenance and customization, choosing the right size for various parts of your vehicle. Whether you're interested in tires, rims, or even car covers, getting the right size is crucial for optimal performance and durability.
Why is the right size important?
Understanding the importance of size in vehicle components is key. The correct size ensures your vehicle functions as it should, preventing any unnecessary wear and tear or potential damage. It also guarantees your safety and that of your passengers. Too small or too large components might not fit properly, causing inefficiencies and potential hazards.
How do I find my vehicle specifications?
Your vehicle specifications can typically be found in the vehicle's owner's manual. This manual should contain all the information you need about your vehicle's dimensions and capacities. If you do not have the manual, many manufacturers provide this information online, or you could contact a dealer or trusted mechanic.
What about tires and rims?
Choosing the right tire and rim size is particularly important. It affects your vehicle's handling, ride comfort, and fuel efficiency. You can find the recommended tire and rim sizes in your vehicle's owner's manual or on a placard usually located on the driver's side door jamb, glove box door, or fuel door. Remember, it's important to stick with the manufacturer's recommended sizes unless you're making specific modifications.
How do I choose the right car cover?
Car covers come in a range of sizes to fit different types of vehicles. You'll need to know the length, width, and height of your vehicle to choose the right one. These dimensions can also be found in the owner's manual or from the manufacturer's website. Remember to consider any modifications you've made to the vehicle, like a roof rack or spoiler, which might require a larger cover. A well-fitting cover provides better protection against the elements. Choosing the right size for your vehicle's components is crucial for its performance, longevity, and your safety. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual or the manufacturer's guidelines when choosing sizes. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of why size matters and how to find the right fit for your vehicle. Safe driving!